Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I have an update on our Dollar General run glitch from this morning. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just got home from Dollar General and it worked. It freaking worked, guys. This is so awesome. This is such a great deal. Y'all need to get on your running shoes, grab your car keys, like I said this morning. Running shoes, car keys, phone, and coupons. Okay, check, and get in your car and go. This is an awesome deal, y'all. I am so excited because I love this stuff. I stocked up on it the last time we had a BOGO deal, and I'm stocking up on it this time. So here's just the little quick rundown of what's going on. This morning, I got up 4 a.m., posted a video. I'm losing my voice. Posted a video telling y'all about this deal that we have with the Dawn Power Wash, okay? We have a sale at DG this week. Buy one Dawn Power Wash spray bottle, get the refill for free, and we have a P&G insert coupon that comes out in today's newspapers, guys. So if you need to stop and pick up some newspapers on your way to Dollar General, do that. But make sure that you check the newspapers before you buy them to make sure that you're purchasing, you know, the inserts. So I knew for sure that this deal was working and the math was coming out correct and all of that good stuff. We knew that was working. But we also received a digital coupon this morning for $3.99 off of 2. And I'll pop that picture up here on the screen so y'all know what I'm talking about. Now, at 4 a.m. in the morning, we don't know, you can't really tell what's going to happen with that coupon. It won't show you what that coupon is working with or anything like that. So I told you all, I'm going to post this video, keep an eye on the pinned comment, and I'll update y'all as soon as I know any new information. So, I got done with that video. I was keeping y'all updated with pinned comment and posts in the community tab. And I had to work on the new coupons and glitches video because we got a bunch of new coupons today, a ton actually, and we have quite a few new glitches. So if you all have not seen the first video that I posted this morning at 4 a.m. and then the second video that I made, which was new coupons and new glitches video, I'm going to leave both of those linked in the pinned comment down below. Please go check them out because your girl has been putting in some OT for you, okay? Okay. So I got the new coupons video up and out and ready for y'all, and then I ran to Dollar General. In the meantime, I was keeping y'all posted in the pinned comment, and I want to give a big thank you to Stardust because she was the first one to say you don't need to insert coupon, and we finally got it straightened out. She wrote out exactly what happened with her deal, and I updated the pinned comment for you guys there again. So big shout out and thank you to Stardust, and also Pinky Pants. This morning, he or she, they, whatever, they posted a deal that you could do with the digital coupons before we figured out that it was, in fact, glitching, okay? So, big thank you to both of those awesome, crazy couponers. Thank you guys so much. And then, big thank you to Debra Williams-Bus because her and her husband ran out and did this deal. Now, their deal didn't work out, and I think I know why. This deal could possibly be a your miles may vary kind of thing because there was another crazy couponer that left a comment saying that it didn't work in her area, but I'm not sure what happened in her transaction. But I do know what Debra ended up doing, and what she did was she put she picked up these 4 items right here and she put them all in one transaction. You don't want to do that, okay? So there's one issue. You don't want to do that. You want to do one spray bottle and one refill. Yeah, so thank you to Debra for trying out that deal and letting me know about that. So I ran out to Dollar General as soon as I got that video uploaded, and I tried several different transactions. I mean, basically it's all the same, but I wanted to make sure that the digital was working, and I wanted to make sure that the insert was working, and it in fact is, okay? I think some people were getting confused in the comments this morning about, people were saying, I paid this amount for 2, I paid this amount for 4, and they were including their taxes. So it was kind of throwing everybody off, which is fine. It's fine. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of clarify everything. So here is exactly what you need to do in order for this deal to work. And if it doesn't work, if this deal does not work and your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, void the transaction so that you can keep your digital coupon or your insert coupon for this Saturday, okay? I don't want y'all going out and paying a bunch of money when you don't have to. You can wait till Saturday and do this deal, and if the glitch isn't working in your area, you can still come out with a really good deal on Saturday with those digital and insert coupons, okay? All right, so don't be afraid to void the transaction. So here is what I did. I did an insert transaction, and I did a digital transaction. And then I did a couple more just to be on the safe side, right? No, I am stocking up on this stuff. So what you want to do is pick up a spray bottle. It doesn't matter which scent. I picked up the fresh scent in one transaction. I did the apple scent in another. Pick up a spray bottle and pick up a refill. You want the cashier to ring up the spray bottle first. Hand them that first, then hand them your refill. If you're doing an insert coupon, hand them this insert coupon right here. Hand them over that, and they're going to push, total, and you're good to go. So here is my receipt for my insert coupon. As you can see, manufacturer coupon right there takes off $3.99 when you ring up that spray bottle first, $3.99. Then, right here, we have a store discount for 77 cents. We have a store discount for $3.18. That's a total of $3.95. So that brought my subtotal down to 96 cents for both of these, guys. Both of them. Total savings of $7.94. So that's good to go. We know for sure insert works with the sale. Okay, good to go. Now, I did the same exact thing with the digital coupon. Again, I handed the spray bottle, then I handed over the refill, then I typed in my phone number. So as you can see, the receipts are basically identical. The only difference is it says right here, digital coupon for Dawn Power Wash. It takes off a total of $3.99 because the coupon is for $3.99 off 2. So subtotal 96 cents plus tax. Taxes are different in every area, so that's going to vary a little bit, but your subtotal should say 96 cents. Total savings of $7.94. So how awesome is that, guys? Yeah, I hope that this helps. I hope that this kind of clarifies things a little bit for you all. And hopefully I didn't confuse you guys too bad this morning. I just wanted y'all to know about the deal as soon as possible. Alright guys, so here's the screenshots for you all so that you can save this in your phone. Now a couple of last minute notes. Number 1, your subtotal should be 96 cents plus tax, whether you use the insert coupon or the digital coupon. Note number 2, you only want to pick up one spray bottle and one refill in one transaction. You don't want to try to pick up multiples, so you don't want to do 4, 6, or 8 all in one transaction. You just want to pick up one spray bottle and one refill. Make sure that you ring up the spray bottle first. Then, if you need to, you can do multiple transactions if you have multiple coupons that you want to use today. Note number 3 is I do not know how this glitch will work as self-checkout. I don't have those anywhere near me yet. So if anybody has tried this deal at self-checkout and you want to share what happened, please feel free to do that in the comments down below. And as soon as I see it, I will pin it up at the top so that everybody can kind of have an update on that. Now, a couple more things. If y'all did not watch my original run glitch video this morning, please click on the link. I'm going to leave it in the pinned comment down below. Even though y'all already kind of know what the deal is and you know the updates, please just click on the video and at least give that video a thumbs up. Like I said, your girl's been putting in some OT here lately, so I really, really appreciate all of those little things, okay? Also, I did post the new coupons and new glitches video earlier this morning, so I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment as well. And like I said before, we do have quite a few new glitches, so you may want to check that one out before you go to DG today. And one more reminder that we have 2 giveaways going on right now. I uploaded 2 videos yesterday going over the insert previews, all of the inserts that are coming out today in the Sunday newspaper. Plus, I went over the Dollar General ad for this week. So 2 videos, 2 giveaways. Make sure that you go and watch both of those and enter to win some free coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with this deal. I hope you all can run out and grab up some of this Dawn Power Wash. Now, if you've already been out, please let me know in the comment section down below, how did it turn out for you? How many did you pick up? How much did you end up paying? And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and you might want to turn on those notifications. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, and you won't miss out on any awesome deals. And also, please hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.